Say hello to the new Angua Zip. It is lightweight, portable and only 16 kilos. It comes with a 250 watt motor, a 36 volt 10 ampere hour battery, 3 pedal assist levels and 7 speed Shimano gears. The threefold design makes it easy to carry and store, while the patented single arm front fork keeps it lightweight and gives it a cooler look. It also comes with a 100 watt fast charger, and the battery itself can operate as a power bank so that you can charge your electronic devices easily on the go. And right now, the launch offer is amazing. If you buy between the 15th and 28th of April, you get £200 off, an extra 10% off with our code Liz and Ati, £108 worth of free accessories, and the £149 worth Engwe 12 years anniversary gift box.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Thank you for being here with us. And we are so excited to share with you a surprise package that we received today.
Yes.
Not today. What am I saying today? When did we receive it?
On the 24th of March.
That's when we received it?
Yes. I received an email that we have a package to redeliver because we were not at home. I'm like, what package? We did not expect anything.
Yeah, I remember you texted me while I was at work if I was expecting any package, and I told you no.
Yes, and it was very suspicious for me. So I asked them to redeliver it to the post office. So I went to collect with my bike, and I was struggling to carry it home, and that was it was a funny situation, asking the shop assistant if he can give me something rope to tie this one on my bike, because I was not prepared to pick up a big package.
We were caught by surprise. We did not expect this. We did not see it coming.
You know, I was actually thinking that we have the rear rack for your bike in this box.
Oh, you thought it's the rear rack?
Yeah, but it was heavy. And I'm like, why a rear rack for that tiny bike is so heavy? So I didn't get that until we actually opened.
We opened the box, but we didn't open the gift itself. So we are going to do that with you guys. And the purpose of them sending us this gift is Engwe is celebrating their 12-year anniversary. They have been in business for 12 good years.
12 years.
12
imagine.
years. Producing such amazing bikes for us. Like, we really love Engwe.
Happy birthday to you.
No, it's not bad. Actually, it's
birthday.
It's their birthday.
It's their birthday, yeah.
Yeah.
12 years anniversary.
Congratulations for completing 12 years. We look forward to seeing more of your products because they are amazing. And we wish you all the success. And thank you so much for sending us this amazing gift box.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 12 years.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's open this box and see what is inside.
Okay.
I think I should bring the camera closer.
All right.
It's packaged so nicely, as you can see, Engwe. I don't want to show the label showing our address.
Okay.
Help me to take it out. Sorry. I put this one here. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Pull the bubbles off.
I want to show you how thoughtful, like everything about Engwe is just so premium. Look at this packaging. It's a nice gift box. Wow. Let me bring the camera and show them closer. I want to keep this box actually.
Safe ride, go wild.
Safe ride, go wild. Up close, that is how the box look like. This is the brand Engwe.
I want to show it from the back as well.
And from the back,
Happy
12 years anniversary. Happy birthday. Yes, look at this premium packaging. Like when you receive this as a gift, oh wow, you become...
You're like wow. Well, how do I deserve this? What did I do?
That was our reaction when we received it. We were like, wow. Okay. My love, since I'm holding the camera, do you mind opening it?
I don't mind at all.
Let's see what is inside. Ooh.
Ta-da.
Wow. This is premium packaging.
What is on the top?
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Let's
look
see.
at that. It's a card. Read it.
It says, as Engwe turns 12, thank you for riding with us. Safe ride, go wild. Celebrates freedom built on confidence. Inside, an alloy steel password lock, 360 degrees aluminum mirrors, and limited edition L20 3.0 Pro model. Crafted for safety, style, and wild miles. Ride on with passion, confidence, and courage to explore a new way. Engwe bikes. Oh, thank you so much.
That's amazing. That's really amazing.
That's amazing. Even the card itself, wow.
Yes. It looks everything premium and platinum.
Even their bikes are premium, I'm telling you.
Yes. So, safe ride, go wild.
12th anniversary.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is... Oh. Okay. So, this is... So this is the alternative version of my bike. My bike is the L20 3.0 Boost, and this is the L20 3.0 Pro.
What is inside?
I think that's the bike inside. Yeah, it's a maquette.
It's
a maquette.
A maquette. What do you mean?
It's a model. Like you look there are the fat tires. There.
Wow,
You have to
guys,
create
look at
that bike.
We have to create these.
What?
So this is just a model. When you create it, it will be like this. I can't wait to do this.
Yeah.
Let me go to the shadow because I don't see well. Guys, look at that. Let me come back.
Yes, I was right. It's a limited edition L20 3.0 Pro.
Ooh, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You want to build it right now?
No. Not right now because we need to go out.
See the rest of the package.
No, I just want to see inside, like some of the...
Okay.
This is so cool. Wow. I can't wait. Yeah, the wheels. I can't wait to build this. How long does it take? Maybe we can build.
The labels as well that you have to put on the bike.
I really love this.
It's like Lego.
Oh, and then this will be part of our decor.
Wow.
Oh, this is instructions for...
Yeah. Oh, that's how it will look.
Oh, nice one.
And look at the colors. Wow.
Yes. So we will build it. It has instructions on how to build it.
Yes.
Wow, this is gonna be fun doing this.
Yeah, amazing.
Wow.
We're gonna include that part in here when we build it.
When do you want us to build it?
A little bit later on.
Okay.
For now, I just want to pack this back and then we will continue with the gifts.
Yes.
What is in there to showcase everything. And then later on we will start building it.
Yeah.
I put it aside.
Okay, put it there. Let's see
Okay,
what.
let's see
next.
what is here.
Next.
Next is.
What is
just
this? Oh, this is protection.
No.
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 Oh.
It's a thank you.
Oh. What does it say? Thank you. Please accept my dearest thanks. Beyond grateful.
Okay,
Beautiful.
so what is this one then?
What? Engwe, you're spoiling us too much.
Is it something inside? I think no.
I think it's just the bubble wrap for packaging.
Yes.
To protect the package.
It's a thank you.
Wow.
Wow. That's
so
amazing.
These are the mirrors they were talking about?
Yes. It looks cool.
Get it out. Wow. Engwe mirrors, side mirrors for the bike.
Yeah.
Is it for your L20 or for my Zip?
I believe it's for the L20, but you can use it for your Zip.
This is
a premium look. A premium look.
high quality. What? Wow. Engwe is
foldable.
spoiling us.
It's
and
foldable.
It's foldable.
Yes. So let's see what is in here. In this box. Some kind of tools. So all comes with the mirrors.
What are those for?
360 adjustable mirror installation guide.
Oh, it's tools for installing the mirror.
Yes.
Okay. Same as this one?
Let me see. No, this is something different.
I think it's more tools. We will find out what that is.
Oh, this is for the lock.
Ah, alloy steel password lock guide. Okay, okay. It's for this lock.
Yes.
Wow. It's a foldable lock.
Yes. This is very strong, you know.
It's very premium.
With password. You can set a password for yourself.
And this is the holder.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, you've understood how to use it.
Yes,
Okay.
that's how it works. Because I unlocked it. We will definitely make use of the foldable lock and also for the mirrors.
And oh, we forgot to mention how much this gift box is worth. This is a whole £149 worth gift box.
You are also invited to join the celebration and to get this gift box for free. All you need to do is to purchase one of the following Engwe models, which is the Zip. That bike we previously shooted in our video, that is her favorite. And then they have the L20 3.0 Pro, and they also have EP2 3.0 Boost, and there is another model called EP2 Boost. If you purchase one of the bikes, you will get also 10% off with our discount code, which is Liz and Ati, all capitals.
We need to go to the park and ride. Actually, let's go to the park and show you the bikes we are talking about. We have two of the ones that he has mentioned, and we'll show you this. We'll tell you a summary of the specifications. And I want to show you guys how far my progress in learning how to ride a bike.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
We are now outside, and oh my goodness, look, the clouds are forming. It looks like there'll be a downpour soon. Is there rain in the forecast?
Let me see.
Look at this cool guy here. Yes, so guys, okay, thank you for showing us. All right, so guys, this is the Angua Zip. This is the newest launch from Engwe, and don't think that it's tiny, so the performance is very low, but let me shock you. It is a 250 watts motor e-bike, and it has a 7-gear Shimano transmission. Also, it has pedal assist levels up to 3, as you can see.
There is the single arm fork patented design. It looks so creative, and also it helps the bike to be lightweight.
It's very lightweight. It's 16 kgs. Look, I can lift it very easily, making it so portable everywhere you go. And it's actually a 3-fold bike.
Yes.
And if you want to see the detailed specifications of this bike, please click on our previous video and watch it. This is a very powerful bike. When he says single fork, you see here at the front. So on a regular bike, it has 2 here. I don't know if you can see well. Here and here, so left and right. But on this one, you can see it is only on one side. It is very safe, and the reason they did that is to make it even more light, very lightweight. Yes. And by the way, this small bike, as small as it looks, a big guy like my husband, who is 6'5" foot. Am I right? 6'5" or 6'2"?
6'5"
Oh yeah, 6'5". Like that is like 196 centimeters.
Yes.
He can ride on this bike. what is the weight capacity it can carry? 120 kgs.
120.
Yeah, it can carry a person up to 120 kgs.
My bike is the L20 3.0 Boost, but Engwe is running a discount on the 3.0 Pro. This is exactly the same model, but this is rear drive and that one is mid drive. That's the only difference. But as you can see, that's how the bike looks.
Yeah, they can also get 10% on this one, I think, with our code, right?
Yes, you can get 10% from this one as well on the website. This is also a 3-fold bike. The pedals are folding inwards. It folds in the middle and folds the handlebar. And also it has a 48 volt, 13.5 ampere hour battery and 250 watts motor.
Ooh. And the tires?
The tires are 3x20 fat tires.
3x20 fat tires. Mine is 16 by 1.95 tires.
Yeah.
Yes, Engwe has really powerful premium bikes, as you can see. My husband has had his for a while now, and if you want to purchase this specific one that he has, you can use our code Liz and Artie to get a 10% off. Before we forget, this Zip bike, as we said earlier on, it's a new release from Engwe, and since they're launching it, they are offering £200 off from your purchase, and you can get also 10% extra discount when you use our discount code Liz and Artie in capital. And when you purchase this also, so in short, let me summarize, you get £200 off from your purchase, extra 10% discount when you use our code Liz and Artie, and you get a free gift box worth £149, the one we showed earlier on in this video. So
and free accessories worth up to £109.
wow, it is rare to come by such kind of discounts and free gifts, so this is the best time to buy this bike. The offer is limited, so if you don't buy now, you will miss out on this amazing discount. There's no other time that you'll get discount, this kind of discount and free gifts. It's right now. We will put the links in the description down below and all the information in the description box down below.
Yes.
Anyway, enough of talking.
Now we are going to enjoy our ride.
Yeah. Okay, now I want to show off a little bit.
Okay, show off.
I'm on pedal assist 1 and 5 gear.
Okay, let's go. Wow, it's windy. You are doing well.
Thank you.
Awesome.
I'm just trying to avoid those people.
No worries, just keep it going.